All right, we're back in Agawam. We're on Damato Way. This is the new construction neighborhood put up by Tom Bretta, the builder. Great houses here. We've got several available, one across the street that's now under contract. We're at number 12 Damato Way here. It's Brad, the mortgage guy, and this is your local look. All right, we've got the listing agent, Liz, inside. Listing Liz. I think I just coined that term for her, so that's what we're gonna call her from now on. Let's go on inside. Let's have her show us around. This place came out great. You're gonna love it. Listing Liz! What's up? All right, we're here. Tom Bretta has completed this place.
Yes, he has.
And you're ready to show us around?
Absolutely, let's check it out.
All right, cool. This is a great island room for the entire family here in the kitchen.
Yeah, they have quartz countertops throughout.
We have first floor laundry, which I was told is standard on all ranches. As we come over here, we have a half bathroom.
Did you check out the garage?
I didn't. Thank you.
Take a look at this oversized 2-car garage. Okay, let's head over to the dining room.
And this big living room area with, is that a gas fireplace?
Yeah, it's a gas fireplace with a marble surround. It's beautiful.
All right, here we go. Let's head on down the hall.
Check out the full bathroom. It also has quartz countertops and double sinks.
And here's our first bedroom here on the left.
Both of these bedrooms have massive closets. Let's go look at the main bedroom now.
Wow, this is huge.
Yeah, the primary bedroom is massive. The builder put a lot of effort into making this room super homey for the new homeowner.
Oh wow, this walk-in closet can fit everything you got.
Yeah, let's go check out the main bathroom. It has a really great tile surround for the shower.
Take a look here at this basement as well. It's just huge, ready to be finished if you'd like. Wow, this one came out phenomenal. If you agree, if you want to come see this place, a private showing, reach out to Liz. Her contact information is on the screen. If you want to get pre-approved and talk about some financing options, maybe a buy down or something to that effect to get those payments down, hit me up. I'd love to chat. It's Brad, the mortgage guy. This has been your local look. See you next time. We're out of here.